Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a Bosch vacuum cleaner. It's very handy, compact and easy to use, and it's very affordable price. I just purchased this one Power Electronics store, Copenhagen, Denmark, and this price is just only 699 Danish krona. Originally price is 1800 Danish krona, but nowadays discount and offer is going on. That's why I'm purchasing this one. We will see detailed unboxing and as well as how to fix and how to use, and it's really worth it to purchase or not. Because of last 3 years continuously I'm purchasing this product every year. I just use 12 months, works very fine. After that I purchase new one. So now let's start as an unboxing of this product. 30-day replacement guarantee also they're providing me. And that one is a Ready Series 2 16-volt max, and continuously you can clean your house around 36 minutes continuously working after charging once. So as usual, magic booklet. This is our main product. Be careful. Now charging is available. This is the main portion. This is the main base. You can remove like this also and clean. It's easy. So this is a charger. I have a lot of chargers, this one. Okay, now we will fix properly. First of all, this is handle proper way, and then you fix like this, and after that you put it this screw here. It's almost 90% is done, and this is last portion. You just simply put it proper way. Look at this here, last back side is locked, and now it's done. Your vacuum cleaner is ready. Now we clean the house, and it's very compact. So look at this, the vacuum cleaner is ready. You can very easily clean the house. It's very easy. Such kind of noise you receive after purchasing this product, but as a 699 Danish krona means 100 euro, it's affordable price, especially office, your personal room, bedroom. This product is one of the best products I can suggest. So if you really like this unboxing, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.